Hello Form 5 Chapter 6 Video number 3 Page number 4 Prepare the experiment to investigate the variation of the human height. So human height actually belong to what type of variation? Continuous, discontinuous 是哪一类呢？ So what type of variation does the human height belong to? 人类的身高是哪一类的 variation? Hypothesis for me 不用想 continuous. Human height is a continuous variation. So today what is a manipulated variable? I prepare a lot of students with different heights. Okay, I prepare a lot of my friends in my classroom with a different height. Responding variable, and after I prepare the different friends in my classroom with a different height, I want to calculate their height, the number of the students in this height, height. So the number of students with certain height, 我要记录起来。And constant variable 固定性变数 the student with the same age 同样的年龄。有一个读过白汉汉的，我叫他不要来。Okay, the student in the same classroom, same school, same age, same sex, same class of student. Okay, so now I make my study. 我就开始研究了。For those with 130 to 134 is too low， 其实 too short 太矮了。Okay。很少人135 to 139的可能会更多一点点。Or another meaning, when I record my data, I found that the data actually is quantitative. Okay, you can measure the height. The height can be measured to become quantity, 对不对？ So the first characteristic I see, human height actually having the characteristic like quantitative. It can be measured. 它可以测量的。Besides the quantitative, you see, somebody 150 to 154, and others maybe 155. So it must be intermediate trait between each of the individual. 在有很高跟很矮之间，一定有中间的人，对不对？154、155之间的height可能都有人的。So the quantity can be joined together. So it contains an intermediate trait. 它们之间有中间者，对不对？有很高，有很矮，不过还有一些中等的人。Okay, and when I record the data, you can see 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you draw the graph will be look like a bell shape, 对不对？看起来像一座山，一个钟的形状。Or this is what we call 这个叫什么？ histogram, or this is what we call normal distributions. Okay, so if you join the data together, the data can be joined 因为有 intermediate trait. So 第一个就是你这边的 number quantitative， 第二个 can join together intermediate trait， 第三个 bell shape， 对不对？ Or normal distribution. So no argument， 完全不用去 argue. This must be continuous variation， 这个肯定是 continuous variation， 冇得傾，一定是了的 normal distributions。 Okay? Experiment number 2， 第二个实验 To investigate 3 common types of discontinuous variation in the human tongue rolling ability, eardrop start, and the prevalence of the dimple cheeks， 这边有没有酒窝？Okay, so how is the experiment? 我们的实验怎样呢？ Nothing to fill， 没有东西可以填，直接啦。Okay, so now go back to our classroom and see who can roll the tongue, who cannot roll the tongue. Okay, so the number of students 40， 几个能 roll tongue 呢？ Roll the tongue, cannot roll the tongue, we cannot measure. 我们不能拿尺去量。You can roll the tongue 90 degree, you can roll the tongue 70 degree， 不能测量的，对不对？这种叫 qualitative。Okay, and can roll, cannot roll， 能就能，不能就不能。They're not having any intermediate trait， 没有中间的特征的，能跟不能不了，没有一个半能半不能的。Okay, so this is your data 啦，你的 data 记录起来了。And after you having your data, you plot the data into a graph. Your graph cannot join together. Or this is what we call discrete distribution， 分开的 distribution. So qualitative。就是不能测量的 ，no intermediate trait 中间不能连起来的，没有之间的特征 ，and not normal distribution 你画出来的 graph 它可以直接高直接矮，不是一个钟来的 ，so this must be continuous variation 这种情况 肯定是 continuous relation， 对不对？这3句话 ，so continuous relation, the final result. And now copy one question under your notes, page number 5. 抄一题，我们试试看这一题 Try it 丁加奴2014 Part A. So see you in the new question. Bye bye.